Chapter 12 Preventive Action of the Police 168 Police to prevent cognizable offences. Every police officer may interpose for the purpose of preventing, and shall, to the best of his ability, prevent, the commission of any cognizable offence. 169. Information of design to commit cognizable offences. Every police officer receiving information of a design to commit any cognizable offence shall communicate such information to the police officer to whom he is subordinate, and to any other officer whose duty it is to prevent or take cognizance of the commission of any such offence. 170. Arrest to prevent commission of cognizable offences. 1. A police officer knowing of a design to commit any cognizable offence may arrest, without orders from a magistrate and without a warrant, the person so designing, if it appears to such officer that the commission of the offence cannot be otherwise prevented. 2. No person arrested under subsection 1 shall be detained in custody for a period exceeding 24 hours from the time of his arrest unless his further detention is required or authorized under any other provisions of this Sanhita or of any other law for the time being in force. 171. Prevention of injury to public property. A police officer may of his own authority interpose to prevent any injury attempted to be committed in his view to any public property, movable or immovable, or the removal or injury of any public landmark, buoy or other mark used for navigation. 172. Persons bound to conform to lawful directions of police. 1. All persons shall be bound to conform to the lawful directions of a police officer given in fulfillment of any of his duty under this chapter. 2. A police officer may detain or remove any person resisting, refusing, ignoring or disregarding to conform to any direction given by him under subsection 1, and may either take such person before a magistrate or, in petty cases, release him as soon as possible within a period of 24 hours.